Hey guys, today I'm making a paper fortune teller. Now what you would need for this is scissors. If you're a kid, make sure you have an adult with you so you don't cut yourself. You will also need some sort of pen, any colour you like, or a pencil. And you'll obviously need your piece of paper. So what you're going to do first is you're just going to fold it so the corner reaches to its farthest point. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just good enough. Then you're going to cut this little rectangle. It might not be perfect, so what I do if it isn't perfect is I just go like this. In my circumstances, this is pretty good. I just go like this. I just cut the excess off. And there you go. There's your first part to this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it, open it again. And then you're going to fold it the other way. Sorry, if you can't see this, I'm sorry. Like so. Like that. And then you should have a shape that looks like this. And then you fold it this way. And then you would have a shape that looks like this. Fold it the other way. This is really complicated. Sorry, guys. It takes me a while. I don't usually record with my voice. And there you have your shape. So what you do now is you fold in all four of the corners. Yeah, I'm not going to take too long with this. It might not turn out good because I just want to get this video done and dusted. And then you would basically have a shape that looks like that. And then you would flip it over and then fold in all the corners again. Now, it's the first time making this. Not so good, but it's the best I can do. Oh, these corners won't budge, would they? So look, you're basically going to have a shape that looks something like this. And then you would have this on the other side. Now time to use our pen. You write you write numbers inside all animals you can choose. And then you would write a message in there, but in my circumstance, I can't 'cause I'm trying to do this video. So, and then you would do this. You would write colours on the front. And then, yeah, so when you've written all the colours, you would try and fold it. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Right, now for the tricky part. If it doesn't work, try all four corners. It doesn't work. It doesn't usually work. I saw this on a video. Sorry guys, it's the first time making this. I know I've said that a billion times now, but just saying because it's really bad. Guys, look at this. Look how bad I'm making them like this. And it's the afternoon, so I am quite tired. Okay, and with a little squeezing, you should have something that goes like this. In my circumstances, it's the rubbishest thing I can do. But there you go. That's how you make a fortune teller. Well, this can go in the bin. Yay! So, that's all for today. I will be trying to post all of these things. Oh, stupid camera. I will try to be posting this origami thing every, weekend or so, on Saturday or Sunday. So, just stay tuned for that. Anyways, bye!